Hello everyone, welcome to my channel MSTT MSTT Modern Simple Teaching Techniques. How are you? Hopefully all of you are very well and happy with your families. It's been a long time we have been contacted through my videos as I got busy in completing some of my school tasks being teacher and coordinator of a Montessori. Mostly my followers on Facebook and Insta insisted me to come and make more videos, so I'm here again with the new video. So let's start. I think we must recall our shapes for the new viewers. So our shapes are, number one shape is circle, then semicircle right hand side, semicircle left hand side, semicircle upward, then vertical, horizontal, slanting lines left hand side, and then right hand side. These are the shapes which will help us to make our English alphabets more easy for our kid. These videos can help the teachers and the mothers for their kids who have just started writing, and please don't make yourself tense and create too much burden for the kid that it's very difficult to write. No, this is not difficult, this is very easy, but you have to learn different tricks and ideas, and it will be easy for all the people who can write English alphabets, numbers, and Urdu writing as well. So our first alphabet is G. That in some writing script G is like this, and some script it is like this. Both are equivalent, but for the kid what we have to use only this one. This is very easy according to our shapes. What we have to do, these are the points: semicircle, right hand side, little, vertical, and horizontal. This is the graph pattern that we are using in our Montessori initially. When we combine or when we join these points together, we get proper shape of G like this. If we join point here and here, we got G. This is proper shape of G. Next is H. This is very easy. This one vertical line, two vertical line, and in the center there is a little small horizontal line. Joining these points could be joined and it gives you with the shape of H, proper H. Similarly, next one is I. In some writing pattern, I is like this, and in some pattern this is simple vertical line. Whatever you are following, this is very much easy. Straight vertical line, little horizontal upward and downward. It will give you the shape of I. Then next one is J. This is J. How to write J? Now look at the pattern carefully. This is little vertical line and then upward semicircle, and then on the top this is little horizontal line. By joining these points together, we got proper shape of J. It can be like this, and we can cover it with the top as well. Both are right. Whatever pattern you people are using, you can use this J, this shape of J, and easy. Make yourself easy. Always try to make things easier for you. Okay, that is J is done. Next one is K. In my Montessori, what I have to use, this is the straight vertical line, and then these are the pattern we are using. In the central point, this is the dot that shows the central point, and we join one slanting line and another slanting line. It is K. Next one is L. Straight vertical line and horizontal line. This is the joining point. When we join it together, we got the full shape of L. Next is M. that is little difficult, but I try to make easy. Let's see. One one vertical line, another vertical line, and slanting line upward to downward, and then again slanting line upward to downward. These are the patterns we are using for double. We can use it doubling. We use it doubling writing. That is another script basically. But this, as we are doing it for the toddler or for the younger one in the initial stages, so by joining these points we can get M, proper shape of M. Then there's N. Look at N. One vertical line, another vertical line, and slanting line. We make these pattern printed, and we give these patterns, only patterns, to the kid, and by looking on the picture they join the points. Initial stages, very initial stages, when the kid come to the Montessori, we give them only patterns, and when they look at one side of the pattern we have a proper shape, and another that in another page we have only this pattern. By looking on either side, kid join the point. So by joining points we got N, K, L, M, N. O is proper circle. This is circle. So every kid can recognize it very clearly. Next one is P. Okay, that is vertical line and semicircle upward. Join these two points together, we got proper shape of P. Hopefully our new viewer or our new group fellow can understand my pattern and apply them in their classes, and moms can also apply them on their kid. Please, if you have any query, do comment, and do like my videos. Subscribe to my channel MSTT MSTT Modern Simple Teaching Techniques. In this channel we used to make every step for your kid easier. Share it, and don't forget to touch the bell icon so you can see my next upcoming video. Thank you.